The request by the state governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, for additional 5 special advisors is to inject fresh blood in the administration, a move necessitated by the recent dissolution of members of the State Executive Council. Speaking on the merits and essence of granting the governor's request, Majority Leader Henry Okwarobo, Deputy Leader Sunday Ojezele, Chief Whip Emmanuel Okodua, and Chairman Budget and Appropriation Ephraim Aluevusele said, while it is within the scope of the governor to appoint his special advisors, the request, though expedient, is subject to approval of the legislature.
I was wondering whether the 20 number is enough, but I think that can be enough for now.
I want to tell you that I'm not a mandate of my constituency to support this thing.
The only business of the House is the House of give approval to the number of special advisors that the government can do.
His Excellency want to indent your house in different areas of managing the state.
The Speaker, Marcus Onobun, said the approval by the legislature is to ensure that more qualified persons are engaged by the governor to ensure a successful administration. The approval was subsequently granted, with the clerk, Auduyaya Omobai, directed to forward the resolution of the House to the state governor. The House during plenary received 24 copies of an executive bill for a law to establish the John Odige Oyegun Public Service Academy, slated for consideration on a later date. Consideration of a bill for a law for the first amendment of the 2019 land use charge to be consolidated into a single charge commenced. Majority Leader Henry Okwarobo suggested that the consideration on the amendment law be stepped down and sent to the relevant committee for fine-tuning. The bill was subsequently stepped down as the House mandated its Committee on Rules, Business and Government House to harmonize the bill and give the House a direction. The House earlier announced plans for its valedictory session for outgoing members of the 7th Assembly on 7th June 2023, while the inauguration of incoming members of the 8th Assembly has been scheduled for June 16, 2023.
Distinguished colleagues, please brace up for the task ahead, because we'll be having some extra work as well as members and staff of the State House of Assembly, so we'll be working extra hours to be able to meet up with the demands of the dear people of our state.
Kingsley Uchegbu, ITV News.